Hi guys, it's been a while. I've not been able to make videos for about a month now because of some things that I needed to tackle. But in all things, we give glory to God. Now I am back again and I'm fully back again. So please expect steady new videos from this channel. Legit Kenny channel. Expect steady new videos from this channel. So you're welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm taking you guys to Binance. I want to show you how to buy dollars. This is arbitrage trading. How to buy dollars using your bank cards, your normal debit bank card. But then, not every bank card is used in one platform. Some platforms select bank cards. I'll be making several videos about all these things in this channel. But in today's video, I am focusing on Binance. In Binance, there are cards that are accepted in Binance. There are cards that work in Binance. Let me not use the word accepted, but there are cards that work in Binance in the sense that Binance payment method, accepts it. Yeah. So there are cards that actually work in Binance. You can use these cards to buy dollars, linking your cards to Binance and use them to buy dollars at the lower bank rate and sell it in Binance at a higher rate. Is that not awesome? So I'll be uploading a lot of videos about arbitrage trading from now. So as you stick with me, you're going to understand it properly. So like I told you in today's video, I'll be focusing on Binance arbitrage trading using Binance. So if you're conversant with Binance interface, it will not be that difficult for you. But if you are not conversant with Binance interface, you have to go to YouTube and search for videos about Binance and watch a lot of videos on how to set up Binance accounts, or you can chat me up. I can put you through. You can comment in the comment section, or or maybe in my Telegram channel. You can private chat me in the Telegram group. Then I will reply you and put it through. So I can reply you and put it through when you private chat me. Well, in as much as I'm less busy. Even if I'm less busy, I can still put it through. Even if I'm much busier, rather, I can still put it through at my convenient time. So you can search for videos about Binance and watch them. But yeah, if you are conversant with Binance interface, just go straight to the spot part of the wallet. You click on wallet. This is wallet. You click on wallet. Click on spot part of the wallet. This is spot wallet. You click on spot wallet. So here, we're going to link our bank cards to this Binance and buy dollar at the normal bank rate, which you are going to receive in your Binance account as USDT. In crypto, USDT is same as dollar. So you are not going to sell this USDT in the P2P part of Binance, in the P2P platform in Binance at a higher rate. So today I'm not actually going to buy action today I just have to show you guys how to do this, and I'm going to tell you the card that work in Binance, but that is something I'm going to show you later. Yeah, so let's dive in this spot part of the spot wallets of Binance. You're going to click on search. This is search. Sorry, you're going to click on search. This is search. You're going to click on search. Then we search for USDT. This is USDT. We click on it. You can see here now you have Visa and MasterCard. Mind you, not all Visa, but anyway, it's at your discretion to explore and see the cards that can actually work for you as well. But right now, I know the card that is working for me, the card I've used. I'm not going to mention it right now. There is a card I've used that is working perfectly at this time. So at the time of making this video. So you're going to click here. We have Visa and MasterCard. You click. Click on USDT. You can see what I did. I had to click on USDT. It will not take me to this page. Then in this page, I'm going to put the figure of the amount of dollar to be purchased. Here, I'm going to put, for example, you can see you can only purchase 15 to 20. Okay, sorry, no problem. So here I'm going to put the amount I want to purchase. For example, $50 worth of USDT, $50. So I'll click on continue here. Click on continue. You can see the amount I'm going to be charged. This amount I'm going to be charged for this USDT, 48.77 USDT, 48.77 USDT, which is worth the $50 that I filled in there. So I click on confirm. Just like the way you do your normal transactions online. On a normal, you are supposed to link up your card. You're going to see an option to link your card. Okay. To link your card, you can click here. If you're a new user, you see an option to link card here. So because I already have a card linked here, that was why I clicked on the card straight. So here, let me click on change card. This is change card. Just to show you how the interface will be like if you want to link your own card as a new user. You can see. So as a new user, it's going to show you, this is what it was supposed to show you, add new card. You now click on add new card and fill in your card details. After filling in your card details, it's supposed to bring you to, it's going to bring you to the page, the next page. So because I already filled in, I already have my card details here. So I'm going to just click on my card here. Sorry. So because I already have my card here, I'm going to click on confirm. I already have my card here. I confirm. Then put my digits here. The CVV is the three codes at the back of your card. I put my CVV. For example, I put this. I click on confirm. Then I click on confirm here again to confirm that I want to make this purchase. You can see processing. It's very simple. It's going to decline my payment because I am not intending to make any purchase now, and I did not even put the right CVV code. Yeah, I didn't want to do that because this is a video I'm posting to the public, and that apart, I don't intend to make any purchase now because I've exhausted my monthly limits. So here now, I'm supposed to click on generate token. Once I click on generate token, it's going to show me. Let me just show you. Generate token. So now you can see this is the box I'm to input the code sent to which my bank is going to send to me. So let me go to my SMS. Oh, sorry. Actually, they are not going to send me that code because I just remembered that I did not input the right CVV code. Yes, I did not input the right CVV code. So there is no how I'm going to receive any code from my bank. I did not input my right CVV code because I didn't want to do that here. I'm not intending to make any purchase. So that is it, guys. So if you input the code here, if you are sent the code, just click on submit and it will show you the transaction in progress. If the transaction is declined, then you know that it is declined. But in as much as I'm using the card that is working on the platform at this time of making this video, there is high chances that it's not going to decline. It is going to be successful. So once it is successful, on this place is going to show you that the transaction is successful. So you're not going to opt out from this page. Once the transaction is successful, you opt out. Transaction cancelled. I've cancelled this transaction. I'm not making it. So I just wanted to show you guys how to make this. So now I want to show you where your USDT is supposed to reflect. Where it is supposed to reflect once you've made your purchase. Your USDT is going to reflect here. Your USDT is going to reflect here somewhere here in the spot part of the wallet. So once it gets here, if you're a new user in Binance and you don't know what to do from here, you can comment on this video or comment in my Telegram channel or private chat me via my Telegram channel so I can put it through. Click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to this video. So like I told you guys, I'm going to tell you the card that works for this. That card, I'm not saying it in this video. You have to click in the link in my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel, and see the card that works for this very Binance arbitrage trading. The reason why I'm not going to talk about it here is because Nigeria banks the CBN have been fighting crypto things, crypto trading. They've been fighting it, and some banks do block their cards from accessing international crypto platforms like this. So I am not going to say some of those things in this video. So when you come to the Telegram channel, click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel, and private chat me or comment in the comment section of this video if you don't understand some things about this. But if it is something that has to do with this video, you can go back and rewatch this video. So when you get your crypto here, you can just go to funding, then click on P2P here. I click on P2P. Click on sell. So for people who are used to Binance, this shouldn't be a problem to you. It can only be a problem for somebody. It can only, not a problem, but a little challenge for somebody who is not used to Binance. So once you get to the P2P portion of Binance, you do what? You sell off your markets here. Once you get to P2P part of the Binance, you sell your markets. You sell your coins. So that is it, guys. That's the video I have for you guys today. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and expect many more videos from me. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.